Can the Shriram Life New Shri Life plan serve as a dependable financial safety net for your loved ones in the event of an unfortunate mishap? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is this policy is about. So, this is a non-linked participating endowment plan. And some of the key features of the policy are you get flexible premium payment options to suit your financial planning. You get to enjoy attractive discounts for opting for a higher sum assured. You also get reversionary bonuses to boost your savings while enhancing life coverage, and additional financial protection is available through optional riders. Now let us take a look at the benefits available under this policy. So let us take a look at the benefits available under this plan. There are two kinds of benefits available. First is the death benefit, which the policyholder's nominee or legal heir will get in case the policyholder unfortunately passes away during the policy term. So what the policyholder's nominee or legal heir will get in that case is sum assured on death plus accrued reversionary bonus if they had any, plus terminal bonus if they had any. So your sum assured on death shall be higher of either 10 times your annualized premium or your basic sum assured. So this is the death benefit. Maturity benefit is something the policyholder will get once the policy matures. So here the basic sum assured plus accrued reversionary bonus plus terminal bonus if they had any will be paid along with the basic sum assured as the maturity benefit. So the policyholder also has bonuses like reversionary bonus and terminal bonus. So simple reversionary bonus is a percentage of your sum assured which shall be declared every year after conducting a valuation exercise. So terminal bonus will be paid on death or maturity, which the company may pay. So these are the benefits available under this policy. Now let us take a look at the advantage and disadvantage of investing in this policy. So the advantages are you get optional riders which provide added protection to enhance your coverage. Premium discounts are offered for policies with a higher sum assured. Loan facilities available, allowing you to borrow up to 80% of your surrender value. You also get to enjoy tax benefits as per the prevailing tax regulations. The disadvantages are the sum assured may not provide sufficient coverage. The plan offers relatively low returns compared to other alternatives available in the market, and the benefits under this plan are not guaranteed as they depend on annually declared bonuses. So these are all some of the drawbacks that this policy has, which you need to carefully consider before deciding to invest in it. Now, as we have a basic understanding of this policy, let us now move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to evaluate the potential returns we can get from this policy and conduct the IRR analysis on it, which is the internal rate of return, to help us make a more informed decision. So let us assume that for calculation purpose, a 30-year-old male purchases this policy with a basic sum assured of 3 lakhs. He pays an annual premium of 31,517 rupees for 10 years with a policy term of 20 years. By paying premiums regularly, he qualifies for bonuses and the maturity benefit after 20 years. However, the bonuses are not guaranteed. That's why we are going to calculate the returns at 4 and 8% future investment return, just to give you an idea of worst and best case scenario respectively. So the 4% is the worst case scenario, which is where the total maturity benefit including bonuses is 4.71 lakhs with an IRR of 2.61% as per the policy's maturity calculator. At 8% best case scenario, the total maturity benefit including bonuses is 7.44 lakhs with an IRR of 5.61% as per the Shriram policy. So after the 10-year premium payment period, the investment remains locked and benefits are received only after 20 years. For such a long-term commitment, the rate of return must outpace inflation to preserve the value of your investment. Unfortunately, the returns under this plan fall short of tackling inflation. Additionally, the sum assured is insufficient to cover a family's basic financial needs, making this plan inadequate as a long term investment. So, opting for this plan could derail your financial planning and is not advisable for long term investors. So, as this policy is not giving us a desirable outcome that we need, now we are going to compare the returns from this policy with alternative investment options using the same metrics as in the previous example. So, the Shriram policy provides a life cover of 3 lakhs, which is inadequate. As per IRDAI guidelines, the minimum sum assured for a pure term life policy is 5 lakhs. So let us analyze an alternative scenario with a 5 lakh life cover, and also where we are going to separate life cover and investment to see whether separating these components can give us better returns. So for example purpose, in a pure term, we are going to opt for a pure term life insurance policy for life cover purpose with a sum assured of 5 lakhs, which cost us 3,300 rupees annually for a 20-year policy term with premiums payable for 10 years. This leaves us with 28,217 rupees annually available for investment during the premium paying period. Over the next 10 years, this investment compounds to create a large corpus. So, depending on the risk appetite, one can invest in debt or equity investment. For this analysis, we are going to consider both. PPF, which is a public provident fund, plus term insurance combination. So in this, with annual contributions adjusted to meet the 15-year tenure requirement, the final maturity value we get is 8.32 lakhs, offering an IRR of 6.36%. So ELSS, equity linked savings scheme plus term insurance combination, we get the maturity value is 17.22 lakhs. After deducting from capital gains tax, the post tax maturity value comes around 15.58 lakhs, resulting in a post tax IRR of 10.57%. Unlike the Shriram life policy, which locks your investment for 20 years, these alternative investments provide liquidity, allowing you to access your corpus anytime. Moreover, both options deliver inflation beating returns in terms of liquidity and returns. The Shriram policy falls short compared to these alternatives, making it a less favorable choice for long term investment. So, what is the final verdict on Shriram Life policy? Is it worth investing or not? The Shriram Life New Shri Life plan is an endowment policy that participates in the company's profits, known as a participating or with profit policy. It offers maturity benefits along with bonuses, which is profits at the end of the term. However, an analysis of this plan reveals that its returns are lower than the inflation rate. Investing in products that fail to outpace inflation reduces your purchasing power over time, leaving you with less money to achieve your financial goals, and it also has a high agent commission. Additionally, the insurance coverage provided by the Shriram policy is inadequate for an individual's needs. Since neither the investment nor the insurance aspect of this plan benefits the investor, it could derail your financial goals. This highlight is a key takeaway because combining insurance and investment in a single product is rarely effective for either purpose.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.